Hello everyone, today we'll discuss part 2 of Pharmacist Grade 2 Health Services question paper. Let's move on to the next question. Primrose leaves is an adulterant of which one? Digitalis. Option B is the right answer. 20th question. Anthraquinone glycosides are present in. Right answer would be option D, rhubarb. Physically distinct forms of same enzyme are called isoenzyme. Albinism is produced due to the defect in biosynthesis of melanin. Option B. Diseases and ailments which drug may not purport or to prevent or cure is included in which schedule? Right answer is option C, Schedule J. 24th question. Which one among the following is classified as a diuretic drug? Right answer is option A, Punarnava. Next one. Total energy gained from 1 mole of glucose under aerobic condition is 38 ATP. Holding temperature for moist heat sterilization is 115 to 118 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Option B. Chemical test for opium is done to check the presence of meconic acid. Option C. 28th question. The immunity in which the body receives ready-made antibody is called passive immunity. Option B. Water which is free from volatile and non-volatile impurities, microorganisms and pyrogens is called as water for injection. Option C. 30th question. The process in which a solid gets directly converted into vapor is called. So we are learning this from smaller classes. So the correct answer is here sublimation. Option B. Next one. Adult dose of a drug is 240 mg. Calculated dose for a child of age of 12 years is. So here the question says to calculate the dose for child of age of 12 years. So here you have to use the formula age of child divided by age of child plus 12 into adult dose. So as we do the calculation, 12 by 12 plus 12 into 240, the correct answer is 120 mg. Option D. Next one. When certain drugs administered repeatedly at short intervals, the decreased response obtained is called. This phenomenon is tachyphylaxis. Option C. Next one. Liquid or semi-solid preparations applied with friction is called liniment. Option D. Another mathematical question. 1500 concentration of a drug means it is 1 gram in 500 ml. Option C. Next one. Person who wishes to manufacture of preparations containing alcohol or other narcotic substance is required to obtain license from where? The drugs controller. Option C. The proportion of oil, water, gum in Arachis oil emulsion is. What is the proportion? It is 4:2:1. Option A. So the next question, it is not G, it is QOD. It means every other day. Option B. Superior and inferior vena cava enter the right atrium. Option A. Rheumatoid arthritis is caused by autoimmune disorder. Option D. Last question. Vasopressin is secreted by posterior pituitary. So that's all for this video.